Okay, welcome back. Let me see it here. Okay, yeah, welcome back. So, in this section, I'll be talking about how to add testimonials to your website. So, in the last section, we'll talk about how to add products, edit, remove, and yeah, what have you, and even adding different types of products. So in this section, I'll be focusing on adding testimonials. So, and this is going to be a very, very short section, session rather. Now, when you look at the interface for adding testimonials to the website, it's very, very similar to that of adding products in the sense that you have the list of all the testimonials you have, you can add new the same way that when you over on any of the testimonial you have these options of editing, quick edit, trash and view. So yeah, now for now presently we have 4 testimonials. These are just dummy testimonials which you can actually delete later by just clicking on trash and it goes to the trash can. Now to add testimonial, all you have to do is, just like I said in the previous section, that you can click on, when you put your cursor on any of the item on the left hand side of the dashboard, the whatever you click here is the same thing as clicking on the subsection, the first item in the sub menu that is shown. So right now I'm just going to click on add new testimonial from the dashboard side, left side here. So when it loads, now here, the way I've actually designed this section is that it's very, very simple compared to the product session where you have a lot of, you know, a lot of, um, what's it called? A lot of fields to to fill. So here, we just need to add the title and now whatever you write here, the way I've designed it is such that just this title section here, just the title field rather, just fill it with the name of the testimony. So let's say, for example, I'm writing the testimonial. So let's say the testimony's name is Nodin Iteyame, well, which obviously is my name. So all you have to do is just copy it and just paste it here, right? So basically, it is whatever is written here inside of this testimony field that is going to show on the testimonial section. For example, like this on this home page here right now where we have the testimonials. So this name here, whatever you write here, whatever I write, whatever I write inside of this field is what will be shown here. So if for whatever reason you write something else here, let's say you write the full name here and you decide to just write the short name, the shorter version here, whatever is written here is what will be visible on the website. Okay, so then the next section, the next field to fill up is the testimonial content. So what this means is the write-up, so the text that is going to be shown here. So there is limits to the amount of characters that is going to be shown. So let's say, let's just use some dummy text. Let me copy a dummy text from somewhere and then just on a quick one. Let's just, yeah, let's just use this one. Okay, I think that's so long. So there's a limit to the characters. So which presently I can't have the figure on my head now. So now okay. So let's assume that this is a testimony content. So now the next field that is important here is, these are just 3 items that needs to be filled. The testimonial image, which is the picture of whoever the testimonial is. So here, use let's use a picture of okay, let's find the headshots. Let's just go online and get some headshots. So I'm going to use a website that we normally use to get headshots. It's called This Person Does Not Exist. So it's just some random headshot generated by AI actually. So every picture that you see here, they are actually, if you look at this first one, obviously you can see that this is not a real person. So it's artificial intelligence generated. So let me look for another one. Okay, F6, 06, 5. All right. So, okay, let me use this one. So I just download this image. Okay, I actually used a male name. So let's look for a male. All right, so let's use this guy. So let's call this one let's call it person. So now I'm not going to do the processing that I did previously, removing the picture, I'm removing the background, reducing the size. But for the sake of consistency, let me just reduce the size. So I'll go to tiny PNG. Remember how we did it? So, and then I'll put this file here. I'll let it do its magic. Okay. And then, yeah, it's reduced by 50%. Wow. 83% reduction. That's amazing. So from 517 to 4 to now 90 kilobytes. Wow, that's amazing. So then I'll just add the picture here. Like I see the picture is way smaller than what it was supposed to be. And the quality is the same. Yeah. So it's amazing. Then I just select and that's now everything on the right hand side here, you can just ignore everything here. There are just some advanced settings. Well, you don't need to bother about them. In fact, you shouldn't even touch them. So just leave everything as they are. And then when you're done, click on publish. And that's it. So now, when we go to the home page now, and I refresh this page, now we should be able to see the contents of the new, you can see the new item that we just added, it's the text and what have you. So now if we look at this point here, um, there is this ellipsis showing that there is more text. So which means that you should always make sure that you have what's it called? The text here is not that long. So basically this is how you add testimonials to your website. So and as I've said in the previous session when I talk about the products, adding of products, you can see that we can always edit our testimonials too. So we'll come back here and see the list of stuff. So we can just easily come to edit, and it takes us back to the page that we saw before, and then you make your changes and click on updates, and the contents will be refreshed, and that's it. So, and you can always delete your you can always delete any testimonial that you feel is not accurate, or maybe you don't want it there anymore. So for example, now let's say I want to delete this Jane video, just remove it. So yeah. So that will be the end of adding testimonials to your website. So I'll see you in the next one.